Hi, welcome to the new video. Today I'm showing you how to paint a cell phone. So I have a Samsung cell phone and I have done a sticker with some taser film, and now I'm putting on a primer. So it's a grey primer. The sticker all on the camera and the flashlight. And this now takes like 3 to 5 minutes to dry. And now I'm painting it. Colors are black and white as opaque, and the blue is transparent. So this is what I do on shows and events. So it's a perfect thing to do between you wait for a customer who gives you a helmet or a bike gas tank. So it's like a 5-minute job. So that was a first stencil with full black. Now this is the grey, a little bit of freehand grey. Now comes the cover stencil, and there I can now put down the eyes. And now I can add some colors to the eyes. So I'm using, first I'm doing the quick background. So I'm just using a dark blue. As you can see, there are stickers over the camera, so no color comes there. And now I'm using light brown and yellow for the eyes. And also paint part of the wolf in the light brown. And the yellow for the eyes. Now comes the final stencil, the full white. So, and before I painted, I prepared the surface by like putting the sticker over the camera and grind the whole background, and use some silicone remover to clear the surface. So that was white. Now I've done a little bit of light brown again, and I'm doing final highlights and some trees and stars with the full white. And I'm now doing not everything, but just like the eyes and the nose and some part of the fur in white. So, and now I'm using a spray can with a clear coat. I have like a rotating surface there. And after like 5 to 10 minutes, I can remove the stickers from the camera and the flashlight, and it's ready for the customer. So that's what you can do in like 5 to 6 minutes with a cell phone. Bye.